So if you have a GE dishwasher, you're getting the H2O error code and that beeping noise, you're probably gonna have to replace your sensor, the pressure sensor, which is right there. So we're gonna try to pull that thing out, clean it up, and see if that fixes that issue. Now we'll just make sure that it's off. Yep. Put a rag down. Just in case. That's a lot of water. Maybe we should drain the water first. All right. Oh, that's a lot of water. Okay, so I guess the first thing we have to do is actually get all that water out of there so it doesn't come spilling down on us. I'm just gonna try this. Yeah, it's looking better. Pull this little tab up and twist. Oh, whew, much better. Now, I'm going to disconnect that, push that tab down, pull it towards you. There it goes. And that is, ooh, that's probably why it ain't working. What the heck is in there? Okay, and it looks like there is a bunch of like grease or whatever that is in there, so I'm going to try to take this off. Yep. Okay, got a safety pin here. Just going to try to clear that hole up. It's looking beautiful already. All right, first things first, we're gonna hook up that little wire. It feels pretty good, pretty snug, beautiful. All right, let's give it a go and see how it is. No leaks. Good. Ooh, baby. I think that was it. Easy fix.